Yellow humans. Okay. I have a very weird thing for stationery. Books, pens, papers, erasers, fancy stuff. It's weird. Uh, um, mm, mm, mm. Anyway, for the past few many days or slash months, I have I had this desire to get into watercolors, and this is sort of what I have collected so far. Uh, yeah, guys, please be patient with me. I really don't know what to do on YouTube. I'm just sort of experimenting with stuff. Please subscribe. This is watercolor paper. I think it's cold pressed because it has these. This is a plain book. It doesn't. The paper is really thin, so it doesn't really hold watercolor. I don't think it can. But I think it's good for ideas and writing. And I'm just a book hoarder, so this is another random book I really liked, and I got it actually as a gift. This, I don't know if I need, but I bought it someday and I was like, I may need this. This I got from Amazon. They're watercolor brushes. And since I want to get into watercolor painting, I thought this would be interesting to buy. I also bought these Camel waterproof drawing ink. I didn't want to buy the expensive one now because I want to first learn these inexpensive ones. But I did buy. Then I bought this masking tape and this eraser I got because they didn't want to give me 5 rupee change. And I did invest. I have cheaper watercolors and I have used them as practice, but I wanted to invest in a nice, good quality watercolor so that I just get a hang of using this. Then I got this watercolor paper. I think it's the same that sheet which they just cut up and they're selling it to me, but the sheet is cheaper. It's I think 80 rupees or 90 rupees, and this 130, 15 sheets in it. I don't know, I'll have to calculate. This I got from Mumbai. I wanted to buy more, but and my shop was closed, but then I thought, you know what, let me try this and maybe go to that other shop. 150 and 20 sheets. So stick this underneath here. I'll always get the names if I ever want to buy another one or anything like that. I'm scared. I don't know if this paper seeps through or not. Half of this. 1, 2, 3. Chinese white. Russian blue. Next we have, what is your name? Payne's Grey. I hope that's how it's pronounced. This guy. Oh, nice. I don't know, this is buckling here, the paper. Like that. My advice wait for everything to really dry, because oh man, I also did another set for myself so that while painting I can reference to the real colors. Please subscribe.